I got I'm basically a hypnotherapist as well. I studied a hypnotherapy program.
What do you guys do in hypnotherapy?
So the hypnotherapy system that I follow is not just hypnotherapy. What is hypnosis? You take someone through hypnosis. ನೀವು ಯಾರಿಗೆ hypnotize ಮಾಡಿ, you take them through hypnosis.
Okay.
What is hypnosis basically? ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮದು mind. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಷಿಯಸ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಕಾನ್ಷಿಯಸ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಬ್ಕಾನ್ಷಿಯಸ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಷಿಯಸ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ನಡುನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ವಾಲ್ ಇದೆ. That wall does not allow garbage information to go into your subconscious mind. Means it is like a protective mechanism.
Okay.
There are some times also our conscious mind should not have access to certain memories ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಾಮಾ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಮೈಂಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇದು ಇದೆ ಕಿ ನೀವು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಾಪಸ್ ಅದು ಟ್ರಾಮಾಗೆ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಪೌಡರ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಮೆಮರೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಕ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸಬ್ಕಾನ್ಷಿಯಸ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ this critical factor, that's why when someone has this feeling, like for example nange childhood inda one feeling ittu, like one belief ittu that I am ugly. Always yake nange tumba jana always compare madiddu nam sister jote, nam elder sister jote. She is really beautiful, sharp features, you know. avaru yavaga heltare, oh she is so beautiful, nimge enaitu, oh you are ugly duckling, ugly.
Then I have faced it.
Adu namdu
back of the mind alli.
It was just a part of my, you know, my belief system.
Universe.
No, conscious, subconscious, everything was belief that I am ugly. When I went to hypnotherapy, I went back. I went into regression, and I realized nange yellinda adella bantu, like root cause of where it is.
Wow.
But when I went for hypnosis 2007 nalli, I just went to someone who had learned it. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅದು ಹಿಪ್ನೋಸಿಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅವರು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ರು, ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹಿಪ್ನೋಸಿಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಬೈ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಸಾಧನ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡನ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಅದು ಹಿಪ್ನೋಸಿಸ್ ಹೋಗೋದು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಆ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ಮೈ ಓನ್ ಯುನೋ 2+2 4 whatever
permutation.
And I got off that belief that I'm ugly. I got rid of that. So part she did, but part I kind of, you know, did in the state of subconscious level. After that I got my first break on television, on Headlines Today, national TV. I had my own show.
Wow.
And it was in the top 40. Like it was doing phenomenally well.
So that whole complete thought of me looking ugly or like
was also blocking my reality, right? Adu nan reality genu block ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, because I'm not attracting those opportunities. Because I believe that I'm so ugly, I can't be on television. So, for example, now when I did this hypnotherapy program, nanu when I this was in Dubai, ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಲರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ we have to do lot of different sessions. So we have to find all our issues. So the first one I said was social anxiety. I have social anxiety. It means I don't like socializing in weddings and going for parties.
Socially awkward.
Socially, I don't like it. Any party, any event, when my husband says, oh, there's this Bangalore Turf Club party, I'm like, oh, I don't want to go. You go. So at that point, I was like, okay, I'll get for social anxiety. I did it, and I thought that is because of my work. Because whenever I meet people in a social setting, they'll always start asking me, oh, tell me about my life, tell me about my cards, tell me this. Oh. So I used to feel like fed up of talking about all this. So I felt that maybe I don't like...
rather than they're looking at a Sheila as a person, they would see you as a Sheila as a reader or a numerologist.
Correct. So that disconnect was always there, right? People don't only see me as a tarot card reader or a numerologist. They don't see me as Sheila. They see me as Sheila M. Bajaj. So that was, I thought it's because of that. But then nange realize when I went into hypnosis, it was because of my ex-husband, my past marriage, the shame that I was made to feel ugly, that you don't look good, you don't do this. Like it went back to traumatic memories of how he made me feel ugly. And then when in this new program that I'm studying, there are 12 therapy techniques. Actually, we become therapists now. Training tagolodu, it's a 1-year program as a proper therapist. So what a normal therapist does in 1 year or 2 years, now one session alli madodu. One session, guarantee.
So you mean to say, I mean, like on...
And after that, Mayura, I'm not kidding, I become a social butterfly. Suddenly, I'm like, call everyone, let's have an opening, let's have office puja, let's have inauguration also. oh, let's go to this wedding also, let's go here also, oh, let's go and stay with this relative, oh, chalo, let's go to that party.
Total contrast.
So I did it even for weight loss. You were asking me in our break. So because we have to now practice sessions madbekalva. So we have to do a lot of practice sessions. So now we have to search for issues.
No, but in general, when you do the hypnotherapy and tandaga, you have to attract. If you have to talk to the people, one person, how do you hold it first? At the first, andre iga hypnosis alle a process henge anta nan curiosity tilkonta.
Yeah, like I'll sit with you, I'll ask you to put your eyes up, and then I'll hold my finger like that, and then I'll tell you, okay, close your eyes down. Then I'll take you deep into hypnosis. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಮಯೂರ ಅಂತ ಮೇನ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಪೂರಾ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಶೇರ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿ.